Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Now, I know you're watching this on a Thursday morning, and it just so happens that it's Earth Day. Well, we were kind enough to be joined yesterday by Jerry Babcock. Jerry's the operations manager here at the SEK Recycling Center. Jerry, earlier we kind of talked about the history of Earth Day. Now let's break it down from a fundamental standpoint as far as Recycling 101. Okay, my first question is, what can be recycled?
Oh my goodness, just about everything. We take all your plastics 1 through 7. We separate our number ones, which are your soda bottles, water bottles. Then our number 2s are either solid color or a natural. Your naturals are basically what you see your milk comes in. It's a very high value commodity there. Then the leftovers are 3 through 7. There's really not a value there. But I've got places I can send it. I won't make no money on it, but it doesn't go into the landfill.
Exactly, that's the key factor. It's not that, don't think about this as monetary value.
Right.
Think of this as saving Mother Earth.
Right.
Okay, so you've given us a breakdown, and you've got like a great chart that kind of helps us explain what everything is. But like I said, if I'm new to this, what's the best place for me to start at home?
Well, the best thing to do is separate your stuff. It allows us to move vehicles through our tunnel faster.
Okay.
If you keep your paper products together, your plastic products together, and your metal products together.
All right.
And we also do glass. Glass, keep it by itself, because if it breaks, I want to be able to dump the whole container into ours. I don't want to have to sort paper out of glass if it's broken. So please keep your glass in one container.
And so while this sounds very complicated, I'm going to ask you somewhat of a simplistic question. Is it as easy of me having just 4 different small trash cans at home? Is that?
Sure.
That's all I have to do?
Right, because we can speed sort this stuff if it's already separated, into your plastic, paper, and, your glass and metal. If those are separated that much, we can go through the rest of it pretty quick.
And so you're not asking me to be like a recycling expert at home.
No.
It's as simple as knowing my difference, folks, between metal, plastic, and paper.
Right. You put them all together, then it backs us up.
Right.
We have to separate each and everything, so we like people to have it somewhat sorted before they get to us.
Jerry Babcock runs operations here at the SEK Recycling Center. Jerry, I've known you for a long time, sir. It's great to see you. Happy Earth Day to you.
Thank you.
All right. Since it's that easy, we'll once again have all Jerry's advice on KOAMnewsnow.com, and also too, a vast amount of resources, not only on the SEK Recycling page, their homepage, but also too, they run a marvelous Facebook page with a great Earth Day kind of tribute, if you will. Check that out. We'll have more KOAM Morning News for you right after this.